Meaning of dictionary.
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 Dictionary. A dictionary is a reference book containing an alphabetical list of words in a particular language, along with their definitions, spellings, and pronunciation. It may also include information about the etymology, usage, and synonyms of a word. Dictionaries are used as a tool for language comprehension and communication. They are often used by students, writers, scholars, and language learners to enhance their vocabulary and improve their understanding of the language. In today's digital age, dictionaries can be accessed online, on mobile devices, and in various other formats.